Hey guys, got another call for a possible slab leak. These stories normally start out with the customer calling in, saying their water bills just skyrocketed from the prior month. I was able to determine the source of the leak was between the manifold in the kitchen and the primary bathroom on the other side of the house. Rather than jackhammering through the customer's kitchen floor, the customer elected to do a reroute up and overhead through the attic. On the other side of the house, in the primary bathroom, we had to come through this wall here because the exterior walls were all block. Then we tied into the existing manifold that serviced this side of the house. Checked for leaks, everything looked good. Always satisfying to see the meter stable after a long, hard day. You know you got it.